Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Acorns account. Watch the video till the end. To sign up for your Acorns account, firstly open your Acorn application. Enter your email address and press on continue. Create a password for your Acorns account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Now click on create account. Agree to the terms and conditions of Acorn by tapping on yes. On the next page, enter your legal first and last name, your date of birth, address, city, zip code as well as your phone number and then click on next. A verification code will be sent to your email to verify your identity. Enter the verification code and tap on confirm. Enter your social security number to verify your identity and tap on next. This is how you can sign up for your Acorns account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.